Hi YouTube. Right now I'm at Mineola Moto, an authorized Can-Am dealership. So I got a real treat for you. I'm over here at the Can-Am accessory wall. This is the accessories for the Can-Am Ryker. So what you have is the color panels right here to choose from. You have the rear spoilers to choose from. You have hoods. You have the comfort seat. You also have riding gear. Can-Am riding gear. Mesh style, reflective, nice weight jackets. So when you do purchase your Can-Am Ryker, you have all these options and accessories to go to. And I'm going to show you a few more over here. Okay, so I'm here with the other Can-Am accessories. So what you got here are the plastic inserts that go into the wheels of the Can-Am Ryker. Not for the Rally, these inserts, but these are for the 600 and the 900. This also is what they have here are stickers to go over the wheels to change the color and the accent of your wheels. They come in different colors. These are display decals, of course, I'm just letting you know. You can also have the option of picking up different color hand grips for your Can-Am Ryker. Of course, Can-Am has an open face helmet right here. If you need the Can-Am accessories and you're going for the full Can-Am experience. Also for the Can-Am cover for your Can-Am display, there's a cover, and if you want to change the look of the cover, you can change. They have different colors here. So all of this stuff here can be picked up when you purchase your Can-Am. So when you do buy your Can-Am and you're looking for accessories, this is the way to go. Those here, these are custom panels. These are a little more expensive because they're custom colors.